It is another lovely day at TCIS and welcome to this week's Wednesday show. My name is John and I'll be your anchor for today. But before I move on, just a quick little reminder that quarter 3 will be wrapping up on Friday, March the 28th. So try to get as much as possible before the grades are submitted. Just last week, the Student Council has announced its annual elections. Be sure to vote for your favorite candidate. Up next is the calligraphy competition coming up on the April 30th and May 1st. The AP mock exams are just around the corner, starting from the 24th to the 28th for those who are taking APs. And with the TOCFL test roaming around on the 2nd of April. The prom tickets are unfortunately already sold out, with the event taking place on the 7th of June, with the dress code being up here on screen. Moving on to global news.
Hello, my name is Max, and today I'll be giving you your weekly dose of global news. And this week's topic is on boxing. Just last Sunday, which was March 23rd, one of the biggest boxing events happened. One Championship 172. Held in Choku Saitama Super Arena, this stage features more than a dozen fighters. However, the three most notable ones are Superlek, Tawanchai, and Rotang. Currently, these three fighters are undeniably the biggest names in the Thai boxing scene. Superlek was the first out of three to get into the ring, facing off against Nabil Anand, a 19-year-old Thai-Algerian boxer with a significant height advantage, standing at an impressive 6 foot and 4 inches, or 193 centimeters. Whereas Superlek is only 5 foot 7, or 170 centimeters. In the end, despite the impressive show put on by both fighters, Nabil Anand won by unanimous decision. And the next fighter to enter the ring is Tawanchai, facing off against Masaki Noiri, a talented and skillful Japanese fighter. Unfortunately, during the third round, Noiri caught Tawanchai with a fast but powerful right hook. After knocking him down, Noiri took full advantage and finished off Tawanchai, securing his win by knockout in the third round. And for the main event, Rotang versus Takeru. Due to Superlek and Tawanchai's loss, Thailand seems to be having a slow start. But Rotang was able to avenge the entire country of Thailand with 2 left hooks. The first left hook dazed Takeru, and the second one finished the job. The event was seen as an overall success. However, due to the overwhelming amount of viewers trying to log into the pay-per-view website, the website crashed, resulting in multiple people who paid for the pay-per-view not being able to watch the event. So, to fix this issue, One Championship decided to stream the entire main event for free to watch on YouTube, which was incredibly well received. Whether you're a fan of combat sports or not, Superlek, Tawanchai, and Rotang are 3 Thai fighters you should keep your eye on, as they're young, talented, and I'm sure we have yet to see them in their prime. That's all from me, and thank you for watching.
And that wraps up for today's announcement. Moving on to Miyo and Tanya, who will be discussing the Arts Department PAWS Bangkok face painting event.
This year, TCIS is pleased to continue its collaboration with PAWS Bangkok. In addition to our fundraising effort, we aim to foster greater compassion among TCIS students towards street cats. To facilitate this, the National Art Honor Society and the National Junior Honor Society have organized a face painting activity, accessories, and toy sale, engaging the entire school community in this meaningful spirit.
Pet Animal Welfare Society Bangkok is a distinguished non-profit organization dedicated to improve the community overall health and well-being of stray cats. The organization aims to engage the public in supporting this vital cause through various fundraising initiatives. It focusing on assisting cats that suffer from different medical conditions or those that their previous caretaker have abandoned.
Sure. Originally, it was a digital art project where the kids do a charity box design and then we bring it to different classrooms and kids have a chance to donate. But this year, I would really like to see a lot more collaboration between groups because there's so many different groups on campus. So I suggested the National Art Honor Society join, and then I asked Kunrung if the National Junior Society would join, and they all did. So it's been nice to work together.
What are the main goals of this collaboration between this organization and TCIS?
Well, the goal is mainly to raise funds because all shelters always have trouble financially. They rely entirely on donations and there is no government funding whatsoever. So literally they're relying on everybody's generosity. By utilizing multiple groups on campus, we hope to be able to collect a lot more money, but also to create a better sense of community.
Can you elaborate on the fundraising initiative TCIS has planned for this year?
Do you mean for the PAWS one?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So we are collecting cash donations in classrooms. There's a bunch of teachers that have offered to have the cash boxes in their class, which is great. Digital art students, in conjunction with Art and Design Club, made boxes to collect cat food. Whiskas dry food only, please. The cats have sensitive stomachs. Or, of course, you could buy items from our sale to also gain more fun.
Are there any plans to expand or improve the collaboration with PAWS Bangkok?
Like I said, it's different every year. Personally, I would like to see students go for a PAWS Bangkok club. Maybe that's something we can consider next year, but otherwise with the National Honor Societies, they're supposed to do community service, so hopefully we can continue on with them.
How have students responded to this collaboration with PAWS Bangkok?
They've been terrific. The students have made donations of cat food and cash, and have been involved with the activities such as the face painting. So they're doing great.
How does this collaboration help students develop compassion for animals?
Well, I think the whole thing is, with PAWS, they're learning about, there's animals. The foundation is set up to protect and rescue abused and abandoned cats. And so they're doing something that is helping the animal community. And I think that's something they feel good about.
With support from the Pet Animal Society Bangkok and the TCIS community, these cats can live in a safer, healthier environment. TCIS students are making a big impact on animal welfare through awareness efforts. This is Tanya and Miyo from journalism class, reporting for WTV.
Thank you, Miyo and Tanya. Moving on to Jerry and Sam, who will be reporting on the recent Gym 5 renovations.
The gym is getting a big upgrade. After many years, it's time for new equipment and fresh look. The space will be better, more modern, and more comfortable for everyone. Now, let's go ask Mr. Sean more details about the renovations of Gym 5.
Why did the school decide to renovate Gym 5, and what is the main goal of these renovations?
The main reason we wanted to renovate Gym 5 is because we've had the same gym floor for about 15 years now. It's just time for it. And Mr. Frank, he's doing such a wonderful job of getting the school improvements inside the gym. It was time, and it's going to look really nice next year.
Mm-hmm. And when will the construction start, and when is expected to finish?
I believe the Gym 5 construction will start right when school ends over the summer. They should have it done the first day we come back from school next year.
And what will change in the Gym 5 after the renovations?
So in Gym 5, we're going to have a brand new floor, different colors as well. It's called a PU floor. It's really durable. If anybody's ever been to KIS school, it's the same type of floor they have there. We plan on adding a new basketball hoop hanging from the side of the wall over there. It's the same company that has done this one before. And we're also getting practice volleyball courts going widthwise of the court. So we'll have new volleyball poles as well.
Mm-hmm. And does the school have any plans to renovate other buildings in the future?
Yeah, behind our school, we bought that land behind the school. I believe Mr. Frank said he's going to be building a brand new gym facility. hopefully with some wood floors, new basketball hoops. So we'll have 2 full-size, brand new gymnasiums for our sports.
Okay. Last questions. After the renovations, will Gym 5 offer more types of sport activities or courses?
We're going to try our best to offer as much sports as we possibly can at our school. It'll still only be 2 courts that we'll have, but with the extra volleyball lines that we're going to add and more volleyball lines over there, it's just more space for kids to practice. So it should be good.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks.
The renovation will be in progress this summer, and soon the gym will be better than ever. With new equipment and a fresh look, it will be a great place to play sport and have fun. I'm Sam, reporting to DUB TV.
Thank you, Jerry and Sam. Moving on to our entertainment section.
Bro, are you sure this is worth it? You've been doing nothing except for playing Foursquare for your entire life. Are you sure you're ready for this? What if you don't win?
This isn't just about winning. I've worked my whole life for this. And you always ask me the same question. What if I lose? What if I fail? But did you ever stop to think, what if I win?
And that just wraps up for today's episode. If you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions, please scan this QR code and see you guys next week.